Hi, Jasmine. So I said I would try to show you this problem, and I was complicating it just a little bit, and I want to show you where I was complicating it. So give me 1 second. Let me get a good color here. Okay. So it says that this pyramid, the building has a square right pyramid structure. So that is talking about this bottom part down here. The bottom of this pyramid is a square. And it says the length of a side of the square base is 62. So that would mean all sides are 62 because it's a square. And it says that the vertical height of the pyramid is also 62. And when we're talking about vertical height, we're talking about if we dropped a line from the point at the top of that pyramid down to the base of that pyramid. We dropped it right down to the middle of that pyramid. So I don't know if you can see this, but if I dropped a line straight down to the middle of that base and then drew a line to this across the bottom right there, that would give me a triangle, and this would be the right angle right there. Okay, now this line right here is on the floor of that base, and I didn't draw that very well, but it would look like that. Okay, so if we're looking down from the top of that pyramid, looking straight down to the bottom, this is what that line would look like. Okay, and what I was trying to do was trying to do a Pythagorean theorem to find out what this equals. That's where I was complicating it, but I don't have to do that because I know that from here to here is 62. So then I also know that if I cut that in half, this whole thing in half, that it's 31, right? So this piece right here is a half of this 62. From here to here is 62. From here to here is 31. So from here to here is also 31. Okay, so I know that the bottom of my triangle that I'm going to make is 31. Not sure why I drew 32 there. Okay, and then if this was the line that they dropped from the top, this white line that they dropped down to the bottom, okay, it says that that's 62. And then it's saying find that slant. Find that slant. See this H right here? This is the outside wall of this pyramid. Find that slant, and that's that slant height. So we can use our Pythagorean theorem. So 62 squared plus 31 squared will give us c squared. And I think I did that. Let's look back here. So 62 squared plus 31 squared is 3844 plus 961 equals c squared. C squared equals this. Take the square root of both sides. So c, and you can't really see this, this is a c, because in a Pythagorean theorem you have a squared plus b squared is c squared, but that c is that h right there. So h should be 69 3/10. It said round your answer to the nearest tenth. Jasmine, I hope 69 3/10 is your answer. If you have any questions about this problem, let me know.